Welcome, Detective. In this lesson, we will play a puzzle game. You ask questions, the AI gives you clues. Why ask questions? When you can ask, you control every conversation. What does this cost? Where is that? When does this open? Questions are superpowers. And best of all, games make learning fun. Your brain remembers vocabulary better when you're having fun. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. The game is fun, and you learn automatically.
I don't understand everything.
That's okay. Just ask. I'll be happy to explain it again.
I don't know what to ask.
No problem. Just start. I'll give you tips if you get stuck.
Can you speak slower? Please explain that again. I'm still a beginner.
Your turn. Please be patient with me.
Part 1. Setting up the game. This is how you tell the AI the rules.
Let's play a game. You're thinking about something, I have to guess. I am the detective. You are the witness. Just answer yes or no. Give me pointers when I get stuck. Correct my grammar.
Your turn. Think of an animal. Ask questions to guess.
Part 2. Question words. The most important words for good questions.
What? Who? Where? When? Why? How? Which? How much? How many?
Part 3. Yes/no questions. The easiest way to get information.
Is it big? Is it small? Can it fly? Does it live in water? Does it have 4 legs? Is it dangerous? Can you have it as a pet?
Your turn. Does it live in the jungle?
Part 4. Ask descriptions. Learn to ask about appearance and characteristics.
What color is it? How big is it? How does it look? What kind of noise does it make? Where does it usually live? What does it eat? How does it move?
Your turn. Can you describe it?
Part 5. Adjectives. Important words to describe.
Big or small? Fast or slow? Strong or weak? Light or dark? Loud or quiet? Friendly or dangerous? Soft or hard? Common or rare?
Your turn. Is it big or small?
Part 6. Asking the past. Ask what happened.
What happened? When did it happen? Where was that? Who was there? What did you see? What did you hear? What happened after that?
Your turn. Who was there at the time?
Part 7. asking for hints if you get stuck.
Give me a hint. Can you help me? I need a tip. I'm not getting anywhere. Tell me more. I do not understand that.
Your turn. I'm not sure. Give me a hint.
Part 8. Guess and confirm. This is how you make your guess.
I believe it is. I think it is. Is it a dog? Could it be a cat? I'm sure it is. That must be a lion.
Your turn. I think I have it. Is it an elephant?
Part 9. Different game ideas. Other puzzles to practice.
Think of a famous person. Think of a place. Think of an object. Think about a meal. Think about a job.
Your turn. Think of a country. I advise it.
Part 10. Complete AI prompts. Finished game instructions.
Let's play 20 questions. You think I'm asking. You are a witness. I am the detective. Describe what you saw. Think of an animal. I ask questions. Just answer yes or no. Correct my questions if they are wrong.
Your turn. Let's play a puzzle game. Think of something. I have to guess.
Quick recap. Practice the most important questions.
Your turn. What is it? Your turn. Is it big? Your turn. What color is it? Your turn. Where does it live? Your turn. Give me a hint. Your turn. I believe it is.
Try it now. Copy this into ChatGPT and play your first puzzle.
Let's play 20 questions. Think of an animal. I ask questions, you just answer yes or no. Correct my grammar gently.
The I then replies, "Okay, I'm thinking of an animal." Ask your first question. You have 20 questions. Good luck, detective.
You ask, is it big? KI, yeah, it's big. You ask, does it live in water? AI, number. This is how the game continues. Super. You can now ask great questions. That was Module 1, the AI language partner. In Module 2, we will learn how to turn your cell phone into an immersion tool.